Hakajing rakhia kajing dap shispa arpusan snam kablatip kum ka kwaskwi sentinel ka shlam ai jing puli ka Pynmount School Shillong haka life tarik ya yong arhaja arpusan kala penlong ya ka lempung jing elek ka sports par ka jing shot drill ki khana kabala long hamadan jong kane ka school ban pen jong kon shu ya kane ka sngi ka school kala penlong ru ya ka jing pen hair lama ka jing le march pass ka jing pen bam smai ka jing marathon bat ka jing sam khusnam ya ki nong job nalor ki wei de ki program Haganing sngi lai don lang daw ba clear war jeri Myntri ketanat sports ka kong B nong bri ka principal jong school ki no hikai ringkat ki khana school bat ki wei de
Approaching the saluting base. Placard bearer Elsa R. Karpongor, Commander Vanessa A. Longse, the third house approaching the saluting base is the Neil House in green. Commander Dafiba Wamri Ice and Rem, Flag bearer Shastika Chetri. The fourth house in yellow, Tunstall House, approaching the saluting base. Placard bearer Adila G. Bakma, Commander Shanessa R.W. Lindo, Flag bearer Sarisa Turbot. Approaching the saluting base, members of the Girls Guide, Bulbul and Junior Red Cross. The Bulbul placard holder, Maya Donhi F. Lindong, Commander Sanvi Podel, Flag bearer Annie W. Warren. In the guide, Deva Melani Johnson, Flag bearer Yashash B. Meghalaya. Now we have the Red Cross, placard bearer Wani Wanwar, Commander Zephany R. Silrem, Flag bearer Ilyana C. Rega. And finally, we have the MLP Central Brass Band Party, led by ABSI C. Kyrwoh. Give them a big hand.
Hab ajing kran ubak syakler warjri uloong baka sorkar kaladap Mang Tyngka kerpang na kabenta ki Samla ki badon sab haka jilek kai sports paper bakin yo alat ban pentebet jana ya ka sab bakan sai jongki uloong ru baka jing Mang Tyngka ka sorkar ka de ban Pynwandur ya ka Lawei ki Samla bat ban kentiu ya ka jella
where we hope that the investments that the government is making in the youth of our state, the athletes of our state, we do it with a hope that maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next year, but maybe in the years to come, we can see that the youth of our state shine on a larger level, on a bigger stage. And the past few years, we were questioned a lot of why the government is spending so much in terms of sports and in our youth and our athletes. When we were questioned, I still remember under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, he has said that these investments that we make in the youth of our state and the athletes, it is because we believe that the future of our state and the future of our country as a whole lies on our youth. And the investments that we make, it is not that the investments that we make only on athletes, it is because we believe that through these investments, it will shape the future of our youth in our state. And with all of these investments being made, we do hope and believe that maybe one day there's a student from the school who will bring fame, who will make us proud, maybe win medals at the Olympic level. There are programs that we have started where we have invested a lot scientifically, where we've tested more than 15,000 students. That is one of the programs that we've invested a lot with that thought that we believe that maybe one day one of these students or one of these athletes will bring pride for our beautiful state. And I do hope and I do believe there are some of you students from this particular school who are very, very talented. And I just want to say here, even, as well as, I want to encourage the teaching staff, the principal of the school, that if there are any athletes who are on that level, please come to the government. We are there and we will ensure and we will make sure that they are being prepared in the right direction.
Third, Tunstall House, Shanessa. Second, Sophia N. Suchang, Neil House. Miles House. Karmotlang, second, Anora L. Marwen. Third, Riakor W. Sweat. Third, Riakor W. Sweat from Tunstall House. Amandi Rumnong. Atiar C.L. Nongpure of St. Mary's School. Jovian Z. Maury. Second goes to Hovaniel Saukme St. Edmund School. Meghalaya Police Public School. Second, Hovaniel Saukme Suchang of Meghalaya Police Public School. Now, second, we have St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Adeliza A.S. Rinja. Amy Sawaka D.D. Nongkanrik from Loreto Convent.
Pej bahagi ki Kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya Kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya